Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Carrie if you've never been here before, and today we're going to unbox the Bunny Beauty subscription box. It is a monthly subscription box. It's $35 a month. You get 4 to 6 full-size products that are cruelty-free and vegan. I will put a link down below if you're interested in signing up for it. The boxes go out the end of the month, so this box was actually paid for last month, if that makes sense. But anyways, the boxes go out at the end of the month. And here we have it. It's got this cute soft pink with a little bunny and Bunny Beauty box on it. And get this open. And inside we have a thank you note for being part of our cruelty-free beauty tribe, and on the back it tells you all the little goodies that you got and their retail value. And here we have an Adopt or Foster with Rescue Freedom Project information pamphlet. I can talk. And then we have the goodies. So first thing I see right here is Pink Beauty Naturally Organic and cruelty-free skincare. Lavender Rose to brighten and tighten. It is a beauty mask. Retails for $12 for 3. It says tightly woven cotton sheet mask bathed in lavender and rose hydrosols. Hold on. Here we go. Hydrosols and essential oils instantly brighten and moisturize skin with one application. Lay sheet mask on face or use included under eye pads. Cool beans. There. Looks like you rip them there and put them on. Okay, so that's $12. Let's see, next we have Cucumber Melon Shampoo and Shave Bar. I have seen these shampoo bars. I've been really curious about it. I don't know if you can see there. It's from Apothecary Lane, 1904 Apothecary Lane. It goes for $14. It says, ever seen a shampoo bar? These little cuties are not only great for your hair, but they're also good for the environment. Shampoo bars are the future, as they could replace the 552 million shampoo bottles that we throw out annually. They last longer than bottled shampoo, too. Let's hop on this train. It smells really good. That's nice. And we have something good in here. Crush Cosmetics Natural Mineral Blush. It goes for $16. It's a little, made in Vancouver, Canada, for any Canadians out there. It says pure all-natural pressed mineral blush by Crush is perfect for all skin types, even sensitive skin. Goes on soft and silky with natural SPF protection. Kitten is a medium peachy pink blush. Gently brush on the apples of your cheeks, bridge of nose. Voila. This is very cute. Let's see. How do we get this open? Don't ask me to open anything. Jeez. Okay, so, this actually goes with my shirt. I don't know if you can see it there. It's kind of powdery, actually, but it's a pretty shade. Pigmented. And then we have Medusa's Makeup Witch Lash Cruelty-Free Mascara. This also goes for $12. It's nicely packaged. It's a big thing of mascara. Oh yeah, you can see that. I like these kind of brushes. That'll be nice. It says, the Black Noir Mascara by Medusa's Makeup with Rubber Brush applies wonderfully and gives your lashes extra volume and length. So it's a volumizing and lengthening mascara. And like I said, that was for $12. And then we have one more item in here. K. Calderwood Cosmetics Gloss Queen. It goes for $12. It is in the shade Saint Tropez. Ooh, pretty. You like glitter? This gloss is filled with a moisturizing serum that keeps your smile hydrated all day long and does it while keeping you absolutely fabulous. Saint Tropez will give you a milky diamond sparkle. Nice. It's very pretty. Let's see. Let me swatch it on my hand. I don't know if that... Yeah, that does pick up. It's really shiny. Shiny, shiny. Awesome. And that's $12. So we have $12, $12, $12, $16, and $14. We got all those things for $35. So not too bad. I liked the box. The last one I didn't get. The one before, I really liked that box. So, and I saw the stuff in the last box last month, and I liked that. I kind of wish I would have gotten it, but this one, so-so. I am kind of anxious to try this shampoo bar, you know, but you know, I'm not like overly wowed by the box this month. Maybe next month's will be better. We will see. But they are some solid products, and I can't wait to give them a try. So, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe before you leave, and let me know what you think about shampoo bars. I'm really curious to know who has tried them, who wants to try them. If you did try them, how do you find them? Are they good, or are they not so great? This one smells wonderful. That's about all I can say so far, but I will keep you guys updated. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye!